Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at what you can do if the DISM fails in Windows 10. For a more in-depth look, be sure to check out the article in the description down below. If possible, let's try and use the System Restore. Go to the search menu and type in Restore. Click on System Restore. And try and pick a restore point from before the DISM problems arose. Next, let's try and use the DISM to fix the DISM. Open the command prompt as an admin and type in dism.exe /online/clean up one word -image /start component cleanup one word and hit enter. Once that's done, type in dism .exe /online/clean up image /restore health and hit enter. If the DISM allows you to run the restore health, then the problem should be resolved. After the scan's finished, restart your system and run the DISM one more time to be sure. If not, and you have a system with the group policy editor, type in gedit to open the group policy editor and navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, look for the entry Specify settings for optional component installation and component repair settings. Select Enabled and check the box that says download repair content and optional features directly from Windows Update instead of the Windows Server Update services. Click Apply, click OK, then restart your system and see if you can run the DISM. If you do not have the group policy editor or that did not work, then you can try and perform a system reset. Make sure beforehand that any vital folders and files are backed up. Type reset in the task search. Click on Get Started under Reset This PC and follow the command prompts. For more helpful tips to maximize your window experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.